in my 20s when the beings seemed to take a very surprising interest in my mundane life. And anybody who is in the audience who's a lifelong experiencer, I'm sure, can tell you the same, that for some reason, these beings seem to be interested in where we work, where we live, who we marry, all these little subtle details of our lives. And a lot of times when people come up and ask, hey, so I heard you've had experiences. Can you tell me a story? I'm like, yeah, I could tell you like a little snippet of one thing that happened to me, but that's never the full story. In fact, it's almost distracting to what's really happening when you hear somebody's story about they were driving down a road, a UFO came over, they had some missing time. That is but a thread in their life's tapestry of all the events that have happened to them.